things by doing. Imagine that, like, we could be like, oh yeah, I'm filming, and everyone's like, oh, okay. It's such a weird thing, isn't it? Be like, oh, sorry, I'm filming.
For a lifetime.
Sir,
my
Andrew, you can't keep doing that.
the excuse of we filmed another video. We tried futuristic Korean skincare.
Yeah, we did that right before. That's why we're all glowing.
That's why we're all glowing.
Stop! Did you?
I'm the brother.